This is Idea to Post, the best AI co-author for your LinkedIn posts. Stick around and see how easy it is to create powerful posts that will redefine your professional presence. Idea to Post is a custom GPT specifically trained on high-performing posts and current LinkedIn best practices. You don't need experience with AI to use it. Just follow the steps and talk to it. Your post will naturally be ready in minutes. A post you will be proud of. Also, it's multi-language. You can use it in English, Portuguese, Spanish, French, or any language you want. You can kick things off however you like. Idea to Post is always ready to go. Got an article you want to share? A rough concept? Or maybe a personal story? Just drop it in. For this quick demo, let's just start with a simple idea. Watch this. I'll just drop in a single, vague sentence. Notice how the AI immediately steps in to extract more context. It doesn't settle for generic fluff. It pushes back, just to give you the most highly personalized post possible. Now, let's feed it some context. I'll share a personal story to back up my idea. And here's the secret. Your experience is unique. You can easily generate an endless stream of posts just by tapping into your own professional journey. Notice how Idea to Post keeps digging for more detail and context. It feels like a real conversation, like you're being interviewed by a pro. The final post is going to be amazing. Now that it has explored the context, it will give you some angles for your post. In this demo, Angle 1 is provocative, Angle 2 is reflective, Angle 3 is confrontational, and Angle 4 is narrative. It also suggests the best approach. Plus, you can combine the angles and see the results. You define the direction of your post. So, I'm going with Angle 3. I want a little more tension here. Now, it's drafting the post. And since most people scroll LinkedIn on their phones, the formatting is already optimized for mobile. It automatically bakes in the best practices, like a strong headline and subheadline right before the See More prompt. Those first two lines, they are the absolute most important part of your post. They have to be a scroll-stopping hook. At the bottom of the draft, you get some handy stats, the post length, a highly quotable line, and tips to make it even better. Keep in mind, it's just a first draft. You can tweak it as many times as you need. Now, let's nail down that hook. It gave us a starting headline, but honestly, I'm not feeling it. I want way more tension. Let's ask for a few more options. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Here's a pro tip. Never settle for the first response. Idea to Post just gave me way better hooks this time around. Brutal, provocative, ironic, highly specific. And here's the best part. The second I pick a headline, it completely rewrites the rest of the draft to match that exact tone. Let's go with option 1. There we go. That's the text I want to share. Remember, this all started with just one simple idea. Now look at it. This is a post I'd actually be proud to share with my LinkedIn network. For a quick demo, we absolutely nailed the final text. Strong headline, engaging story, it just works. So let's generate that final version. It drops the text right into a clean box. One click and it's copied. Oh, and take a look at the very bottom. Idea to Post gives you actionable tips to maximize your reach and engagement. Real, proven LinkedIn strategies. That's Idea to Post. The AI co-author that's going to completely change how you build your professional presence. I really hope you love it. Thanks for watching.